Get a feel for the 2011 GMC Terrain. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make the most of every drive when you travel in modern style and comfort. Sculpted lines and a quiet cabin soothe your mind, while the latest safety and infotainment tech keeps you secure, focused, and entertained. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. This vehicle offers the ride you want and the value you need. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.